When I draw beautiful women, I gotta put tape on their nipples. All because of Twitch rules. But I promise if you buy this painting, there won't be duct tape on her boobs. Ooh.
Starting on Tuesday, the 29th, we will be moving to Mixer. So I want to have a conversation with you guys about what that means. For all of you who are subs, subs are for free on my Mixer channel, mixer.com/KingItalian. So subs are free for a short while, limited time. For all of the subs.
Took out an enemy.
Not bad, shooter.
So, you're literally saying no homo to someone called Lauren Scott. Wait, who's Lauren Scott? Oh, is that a girl? Oh, shit. Yo, Lauren,
What do I do?
Just listen for sounds and go towards sounds.
Can they stop talking at the same time?
You saw him. Kill him. Kill him.
Laugh. Yellow.
Kill him.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I thought that's my friend.
Don't die.
Take his weapon. Take his weapon. Alright, and yeah, buy the normal weapon that you usually have.
thank you.
Whilst you have a look at Renekton as well as the Draven, they are completely ready. They are online. They are at the break points that you would want at this stage of the game. I'm looking at Faker, who is a full item behind the Rise. And the amount of, tankiness and magic...
oh, they're looking.
They are.
Clid flashes. That Zhonya's hourglass was necessary. Flashes stay safe, and Clid cannot find the target. Kobe is doing so much in this game. There is no smite for SKT.
계급에서 우위에 있다라는 걸 증명했던 경기였습니다. 자, 1세트 주요 장면 만나보시죠.
미드, 그러니까 리산드라를 뽑은 이유가 이제 르블랑 상대로 푸시쪽을 잡기 위해서였는데 이렇게까지 잘 밀고 올라올 줄 몰랐어요. 그리고 앨리스와 리산드라의 합작품으로.
In the military, it's all about the mission. It's like you accumulate stress while you're doing your job or doing what was assigned, and you do that, and then afterwards you kind of like decompress and you can just like try and get yourself back to normal so you can take the same mission. And I do see...
Да. Ну и, собственно, вот он, который, по сути, на самом-то деле, в какой-то степени сейчас повторяет вот судьбу Эсфрога. Да. Ну что же, первый вопрос, который был задан, сейчас будет, наверное, пара вопросов. Будет вручение чека, будет вручение кубка Джинсу, который стал чемпионом. И еще раз, $450 000.
My man. Remove that now. Remove that now. Skastrudel, we're not having that soundbite. Remove that now, Skastrudel. No. I will sit through the rest of these dog shit sound bites. We are not having ayaya, dude. Are you kidding me? Are you trying to start a civil war? Oh my god. What that is no!
The risky option, he's gonna live it though. Yo! Oh my god! He went super deep! Super deep from Orion right there! He went for the SD KO at the end. This man, yo, France, the French, they don't care. They don't care. That was insane. Kamikaze.
You better run because they're gonna shove you in their box. Hi.
I quickly got camera.
Huh?
I quickly got camera.
Thank you.
What do you do? Just record yourself through a speech or something?
I work with Twitch, so I'm just traveling around.
Would you like me to have you rap for you? Have you rhyme or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what do you got?
Hey, I'm as Glasgow. Wait, I need to go out, man.
Did he go? Is he gone?
투수? 퍼스 투수? 학교? 슈슈? 이게 뭐예요? 왜 탔어 학교?
그리고 이번 경기 중에 100번째 국제대회 승리를 거두셨습니다. 정말 큰 한획을 그으셨는데 소감 한마디 부탁드려요.
Sometimes I watch a stream, right? And he's really, really loud talking. And then I also on TV, and then it's like, but then I go somewhere, like in my room, and I also open the stream, and then it's like, and I'm like, what am I even doing? Like having this guy open on 2 devices and in real life, you know?
Champions told tale of the Korean Colossus terror over Summoner's Rift, where each passing minute rung the proverb, SKT has a lead. I guess my world's is done. But 1 year when the night was darkest, a hero brought down the beast. The monster was dead and the people were merry. Alas, in 2019, the SKT monster has risen again. Hey, Dash. And this terror does not wait for your cries. It pounces at any given moment. This is no slow-moving malformation, but a cunning predator, where no lane, no jungle, and no tower is safe. So, my friends, splice fear, for the new SKT monster has arisen.
Is this normal?
Suplentes, Sar, Yorome, entrenador Duke.
Trailer, so let's get a closer look at what we can expect when she goes live on PBE in just 2 days.
With the money that we raised, this is one of the kids. There's other ones too. You guys brought this kid, and he was allowed to go to Disney World, and he's suffering from leukemia. And without you guys, he wasn't going. There was no it was like a last second thing that we raised the money and just gave it to him. And then now you made this kid go to Disney World. So you guys should be very, very proud of yourselves because you made this. Look at this. There he is.
Look how happy he is. Disneyland is the best too. Good job, chat. We did it.
So he's coming home from Disneyland, and the parents and the family want to meet me and thank me. So I'm going to probably go there sometime next week. Look, they even put Thank You's name in there because he pretty much funded half the thing. So yeah.
Very bad.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you're thinking of the pinnacle of Peach Play. But it's, whatever, man.
We're
not here for English. We're here for Smash. So, let's get into it.
Get it, baby.
Oh! Let's get it!
Okay.
Oh, my God.